In this video, I am going to show you how we can enable or disable mini toolbar on selection. So by default, if you select any text like I have written my name here. So if you select the text, so here you can see a small bar that will enable you to change the font size and text and you can bold, italic and underline also, and you can decrease font size, increase font size. This is known as mini toolbar. So if you want to change some settings like I mentioned before, you can change it from here. And if you want to disable it, just go to file and click on options, and here on the user interface option you can uncheck it, show mini toolbar on selection, and click on OK. So next time you select the text, the mini toolbar will not come. So you can go again to re-enable it, go again to option and check it, show mini toolbar on selection. Click on OK. Now select the text and hover your mouse, the mini toolbar appears again. So in this way you can enable or disable mini toolbar on selection in Excel. Thanks for watching.